Ready, last ready, a start. To decide the legality of the impugned judgment, following point of determination is being framed whether the impugned judgment passed by the learned court below is sustainable in law for not framing the following additional point of determination as to whether the wife is living in adultery. Learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the petitioner husband has taken a specific plea in his written statement in the maintenance case that the wife has married with another person and as such she has been residing in adultery. He has also taken this plea in his written statement that the wife denied the cohabitation with the petitioner without any reason. On this issue, no point of determination has been framed by the learned principal judge, family court. As such, the maintenance application cannot be allowed without giving finding on this very issue in view of the section 125 within bracket 4 of CRPC and contended to frame the very issue and to remand the case to the learned court below. The learned counsel for the respondent wife opposed the contentions made by the learned counsel for the petitioner and contended that though this plea has been taken in the written statement by the husband, but nowhere has been mentioned with whom the wife has been married in subsistence of her first marriage. So far as the allegations for wife of denying cohabitation with him without any reasonable cause are concerned, both these issues have already been decided by the learned family court in divorce petition in which it was dismissed by the court. The copy of the same is filed on record and the said judgment was also challenged before the Honorable High Court in first appeal and the same was also dismissed by the Honorable High Court and confirmed the judgment and decree passed by the family court whereby the divorce petition was dismissed. In reply, the learned counsel for the petitioner has also further contended that though the learned family judge in divorce petition has decided the issue of cruelty and living in adultery against the petitioner husband, yet in the criminal case for the offence under section 498A, in which the wife had made the allegations by lodging FIR in regard to the cruelty by the husband and his family members. In the same case, the wife did neither appear nor adduced the evidence and the husband was acquitted in the same. As such, in view of the above, this is also evident that the wife has also neglected the husband without any reasonable cause and so she is not entitled to maintenance. Nonetheless, both the two judgments, Exhibit 6 passed in matrimonial divorce suit number 59 of 2006 dated 18 to 2013 and Exhibit 8 passed in first appeal number 35 of 2013 dated 8/3/2017 may be the evidence in favor of the wife to rebut the allegation of adultery, yet it was incumbent upon the learned court below to frame the specific point of determination and to decide the same by taking into consideration the oral and documentary evidence adduced by the both parties. Stop.